it.
Uh-oh.
Coleman, you driving the Barbie car?
I'll give up.
You gonna drive to the cottage?
Right? I'm driving.
That was the horn. Did that scare you?
Where you going, Holland? Where you going?
Bye, Mom. I have to go.
That's one way to drive. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, no!
What are you doing? Driving? You driving? Oh, you know what?
Drive your car. Whoa! Good job, buddy. Good job. Go get in your car seat. Alec Pooh. Come on, let's go bye-bye. Alec Pooh. Alec Pooh, Marston. Alex.
Over the metal.
Let's go.
Keep your eyes on the road,
You're not
child.
looking up, baby.
Keep your eyes on the road, you gonna wreck it! Keep your eyes on the road, you can't drive with one hand. What?
Use your foot, crazy.
Huh? Nope.
I can't sleep.
Wait! Wait! Wait a moment.
You're driving, you gotta wave.
Wait.
Vroom. Push, push, push. Watch out for the wall.
By the way, Beck's coming through. Yep, Beck's coming through. Beep beep.
See ya, cop.
Bye bye. Bye.
Hello.
Get mama, hit her! Crazy driver. Oh man.
Oh, I have a crawler.
Huh?
I have a crawler. Hey, you're not looking at where you're going.
I don't know.
You're gonna wreck the truck.
Okay, you ready? Here we go.
What is Daddy's car? Is that how Daddy's car sounds?
Calvin. Stop that.
You can't drink and drive.
Hello.
Are you a big boy?
Right?
Look at Mama.
Uh-oh.
Poor baby. That's too funny. Uh-oh, I think he's moving. I think he's moving.
Where?
Now we're gonna need lots of food to get us through it, so I made some things ahead of time to cut down on my work tonight. Now one of the things on the
How does mommy drive her car?
You scare me.
Oh my god.
No.
Nani?
One. Two. I'm done.
Oh.
You laugh at me?
I'm so sorry.
Hello.
Too interesting. Listen to me.
copying your dad?
Did you just wake up? You did? Are you happy? Yeah?
Here you are.
Oh, Jess.
Am I handsome? My turn.
And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here a there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Hey. Arr. Oh, baby.
Destiny.
Let's dance. Enough.
Straight to your ass.
What?
It's okay. Show me your excited look.
Huh?
Good job. Good
Shake your booty. Ah.